Welcome to New York Giants Full Access.
Let's go! Let's go! Up the energy, one more notch. Let's go, man! Giants on me, Giants on 3, 1, 2, 3. Giants!
First and goal at the 7. First possession of the game for Tennessee. Tannehill back, fires it left. There's Hilliard for the touchdown. Up the seam, goes 45 yards, and they have the lead 6-0.
Hey, flush it. Flush it.
Keep going. Keep going. 8-5-9, keep going.
Right, just be ready to stay square. It looks like you're almost overrunning it. It looks like you got yourself square right in time on the cutback, right? But just slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Just track that right. We ain't tripping. Get to it. No, we ain't tripping. We ain't tripping. You're good. We good. You're good.
Defensively, Bob, it's being good tacklers. Shut down Henry. Take them out of their game plan. Don't let them just run the game on their terms.
Toss right for Henry, looking to get the edge. Giants shut it down and drop him. Hand off for Henry.
What a hit. Oh, that was Tate Crowder that slobber knocked him.
They split Tannehill out, so Henry takes the snap, he bobbles it, and the Giants are going to stop him short of the first down. Calitro and Tate Crowder got in there, along with Jihad Ward.
Hey, can't fuck with me, no!
I told him
Good ass stop. See what happens when you, it don't matter when we go out there, just stand up, we'll make the play.
So Randy Bullock is going to come out, the 11th year pro out of Texas A&M. His career long is 57. Giants lead 21-20, and this is going to be a 47-yard field goal attempt to win it off the right hash. Snap is clean, kick on its way, end over end, and it is no good. He missed it left, and the Giants have won. For the first time in 2016, the Giants have won a season opener, and Brian Dable, in his coaching debut with the New York Football Giants, has come to Nashville and beaten the Titans 21-20.
Let's go! Hey, man, they tell us to close the game. You got to be in close in this league, baby. And we want to know, baby. Let's go.
Hey, man, we got great weather today. We got the fans out here, and we back at home, man. We about to put on a show today.
Will kick it with his right foot. Fans in a frenzy, end over end kick. Hubbard's going to field it at the goal line. Runs left to the 15, hit at the 20, keeps his feet, lost the football, it's loose, and the Giants have recovered it inside the 20-yard line. Hubbard put his hand on the ground and got walloped.
Good second effort, trying to see who that was.
Carter Coughlin.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go, Carter. Let's go.
Ball at the Carolina 36. Giants up 3-0 here in the first. Mayfield takes the snap, wide receiver screen out to the left, completes it to Robbie Anderson, and Robbie Anderson gets tackled, and the ball came loose, and the Giants say they have it at the 40.
First down, New York.
And they are saying it is a fumble. Robbie Anderson caught it in the left flat. Giants were there, rallied to the ball. Darnay Holmes came in and stripped him. Yeah, Darnay Holmes stripped him of the football, and Adoree Jackson recovered it.
Darnay! Oh, wait, too much, Robin. Good.
Hey. Shout out to the baby on the way, man. Shout out to the baby on the way, man. Happy birthday. And once again, happy birthday to Tutu, man. That's his birthday present, man.
He alert 22 to be heavily involved in this drive if they have time. If time's against them, he'll go away, and they got to push the ball down the field. Right? Keep the ball in front. Keep it in front. Tackle inbound.
Mayfield in a shotgun. 2:42 to go, Giants by 3. Mayfield back to throw. Pressure, Mayfield sacked! Giants sent an all-out blitz. They came storming through and Julian Love gets the sack for the Giants. All the way back to the 36.
Let's go! Let's go!
And that's it.
Boy, this is much needed in Giants Stadium, MetLife Stadium. These fans are appreciative of this home victory.
2-0, baby, 2-0. It's a great way to start the season.
Man, look, we don't want to back in the building, man. Good birthday, dog. Now we're going to celebrate, you know what I'm saying, the right way. I keep y'all updated when I see y'all next time.
New York Giants football is on the air from high atop MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey. The New York football Giants take on the Chicago Bears. Giants have broken out the legacy uniforms, which they wore so proudly in the 80s and into the 90s.
Man, we good, man. We ready to go. Hey, 1-0, man. Let's get it.
We got to do this thing together. Physicality, technique, and trust each other. Here we go. D-line on 3. 1, 2, 3. D-line.
Beautiful day out here, man. Payback today. Run it back today. You know what? We got time to one up, man. Time to bounce back. Simple as that.
Hey, man, we family, man. We do this for a reason. Let's go out here and show them. Let's do it. Giants on me, Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3. Giants.
Fields in a shotgun set. Takes the snap, back to throw. Pumps, looks, still has time. Now trying to escape to his left and does. Turns the corner, 45 midfield into Giant territory. Down the left sideline and chase to the Giant bench at the Giants' 40-yard line. And that's a gain of 16 for Fields. Michael Badgley from Summit, New Jersey, Summit High School, will try a 29-yard field goal from the left hash, and that is through for the New Jersey native.
Hey, listen. Be patient, because the back is impressing the line. He's wet. Just be patient. Play your gas. Don't jump out.
Listen now, listen. You guys are getting to the level, right? But if you rip around the edge, you're going to give a seam. You got to finish downhill on that. That's how we going to get out.
So you can have two ways. So you need to go up or down and help out. Because all I need is a little help. I'll get on them. I got you. I just can't, in that space, I can't hold them, bro.
Let's start faster.
Yeah, we
Let's start faster. I know, but let's start faster.
Good power now. Just stop about a yard away, like we said. Go play run defense at that point once you get back there. Good, you're going to get home.
Yeah, I'm going to get it.
Keep powering them, you're going to get home.
Yeah.
All right, keep going.
1st and 10 at the Giants' 27-yard line. Fields back to throw. Under pressure. Arm got hit. Ball came out. It's loose as Azeez Ojulari gets the sack and forces the fumble. And Thibodeau recovered it.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna lie. He wrapped him up, but I hit his arm. He wrapped him up, but I hit his arm. He about to get
Punt. They'll let the play clock go all the way down to 4, and then they snap it. Gillen with a good high spiraling kick. Jones ranges back to his 34. Muff the punt. It's on the ground, loose, and the Giants have recovered it at the 37-yard line. Gary Brightwell recovers it. The final score from MetLife Stadium, the Giants 20 and the Bears 12.
Hey, it's a hard-fought win. We got the dub. We got to keep working. We got to keep improving. 1-0.
Listen, we're here. We're in London. It's opportunity. So if you don't go get it, you'll be great.
Let's get this dog. Hey, Giants on me. Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Second and goal at the 4. Packers up 3-0. Takes the snap. Wide receiver screen. He's got Lazard. Open touchdown. Dillon the tailback. Rodgers on a play fake. Lobs it back left and wide open. Touchdown Packers.
Start off beating with your rushes. And once the pile starts collapsing like that last deal, then we bust out the game. But you don't want to come with the games at the beginning. You outside guys come downhill, really come up and make it move. We're going to push it in the middle. He's got to stay high. We got to rush together.
Empty set. Rodgers in a shotgun. Rodgers takes the snap, looking to run, and Rodgers gets sacked back at the 44-yard line by Dexter Lawrence.
Hold up now. Hey, wait up, wait up here. That's the way to hold up now. That's complimentary football. As soon as he stepped up, he was right there. Ooh, that give me lit.
Fish and chips. It was the fish and chips. Definitely. The large card.
It's going to be great this fourth quarter.
We just got to up the communication. We already been doing it right. So now it's the fourth quarter. Let's take it to the next leg.
Good rush, too.
I just got to keep going.
Get 2 yards for a first down. They're 7 yards away from a touchdown, trailing by 7 here in the fourth. 3rd and 2 at the 7. Rodgers calls out signals, takes the snap, back to throw, looking, sidearms and pass, batted in the air, and nearly intercepted by the Giants. A diving attempt made. Oh, Tate Crowder nearly had the Giants' first pick of the season.
Kayvon Thibodeau, I think, is the one who tipped that.
4th and 2 for Green Bay at the Giants' 7-yard line. Rodgers takes the snap, back, fires it, pass, batted by the Giants, incomplete. The Giants sent the blitz, and they batted it away.
That is just great defense there. Stepping up in crunch time. You can't get any better than that. And I tell you what, I'll say it again, Bob. When this game was scheduled, the Packers they don't have time for 2.
Strip sack can do it. Strip sack can do it.
Rodgers in a shotgun set. 7 seconds to go. Giants by 5. Rodgers back to throw. Spins away from pressure. Under pressure again. Dances to his right. Now he gets hit from behind and gets whacked and fumbles the football. Recovered by the Packers, but that is it. Ball game over. The New York Giants have come to London and rang the bell of the Green Bay Packers. 27-22.
This is a Big Blue Crew production.